Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Chase trip interruption claim. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go to chasecardbenefits.com, which is this URL here, and it's going to redirect you to the rest of this page. So for example, if I type this in, you'll see that it redirects you to this page here. Now for new members, you need to go ahead and verify your card and register. So you're essentially just going to get your Chase Sapphire Reserve card, use it to register for an account on this website here. And then once you register for an account, you're just going to go ahead and sign in. And then once you're logged in, you're going to reach this page here. So you should see the last 4 digits of your Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card on this page here. Now click on File a Claim. Select which card you're going to use to file this claim. Click on Next. And then over here is where you can actually select which benefit you want to go ahead and file a claim for. So in most cases, it's going to be a trip delay reimbursement or a trip accident or a trip cancellation. So click on Trip Delay Reimbursement. And then from here, just simply follow the on-screen prompts to start your trip delay reimbursement claim with Chase. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.